The system we Masicka talk about. Oh, the system. You don't know about the system when the man them say them not play no Alkaline song.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know Media Fox, so people, I see Mr. Vegas run out. Bro, I don't know why all this sympathy card or what, bro, but I realize that Mr. Vegas I try to play a two-side thing, a two-side cutlass. Because what the man is saying in the video, people, no really I forgot here, I'm break it down too, no. You understand? Yeah, but listen what I go on, people.
The system we Masicka talk about. Now for you, cannot relate because you're a young bud when I know storm. The system we Masicka talk about, it did it before me, Masicka, did it before even Vibes Cartel. So it's bigger than what uno there. It's deeper than what uno there. It just Masicka talk theme truth about the system. Understand? Him just attack theme truth about the system.
But Mr. Vegas, who are the system, bro? Masicka drop a song. Bro, why not try bail out Masicka, bro? Brother, it's just a lyrical war. Why not bail out Masicka, brother? But don't be no say yo Gaza give Masicka strength, bro. What you talk about? Which system? System there before Cartel. What kind of system, bro? The song on Masicka drop, bro, it's all about the Gaza, about Cartel, whatever happened with the Gaza people and we usually say Gaza and Cartel link with them, brother. We actually how this come from both system before Cartel and all of them look at thing there, bro. Bro, everybody prop up Masicka, brother. Not because you want bounty go at it and them try to push you aside. But bro, Masicka get pushed by everybody. The Gaza, the Alliance, everybody, bro. Bounty Beanie, the whole of them. Shaggy, Sean Paul, the whole of them. That's why I'm even call up Shaggy and Sean Paul and the thing, bro. Because them man, they give him the strength, brother. When you stop play this sympathy card, bro. You understand? Stop it. Because when Masicka was right there, and him just a drop song, nobody never really, like say, yo, talk about him like that. Him did a drop song and everything, but as since him and the Gaza thing start link up now and thing, yeah. Him start get a piece of Gaza fan and, you know, them start push him out there. Yes, bro. Everybody, Popcorn, the whole of them, bro. Who want, bro? The man where Masicka and him never go. The only somebody where Masicka and link with, I must say Demarco. Masicka and I don't usually go at it. And see what the man them link up and say, yo, the man them not beef no more, bro. So who win dancehall right now where otherwise some the little thing we're going with there with the man Cartel and Cartel artists them. Who in a dancehall and Masicka I go at it, bro. Like Masicka and everybody good, brother. So you talk about system, bro, before and all of them little thing there. And at that Masicka talk, bro, stop, bro. At the second time you forward out and I try to play the sympathy thing like say, yo, you know what the funniest thing? Masicka call out the Gaza thing, you know. Seeing? Remember say Masicka say, yo, Cartel I try to program him. All of them look at something there, bro. And I talk about what Cartel do to him if him artists them and who they're on him. But Mr. Vegas don't want Masicka get the pressure. No one say Gaza give him the strength. So him want come out and want say, yo, at the system before Cartel Masicka attack. And a Cartel system where the Gaza thing and everything we are try put him aside and him no want to say that because him rate Masicka and a Masicka side him choose. But him don't want directly say, yo, him a gun out for Masicka alone. Him want to bring the Cartel thing. So him a go do it now. Him want to say, yo, I system of Masicka attack it bigger than this. I system before Cartel and race. So him no want to steer it for say, yo, Masicka attack Cartel. Bro, if stop it, brother. Stop it, man.
But that system there. Destroyed, no youth. Black, no youth. Well done, no youth. You see, you have a smartphone, you know.
Mr. Vegas, stop who is the system now? Stop talking about the system, the same system. Who control the system? You keep on as a system. Who is the system, fam?
I think you're smart. You, young boy, just learn about dancehall. And music alone, you know about youth. You don't know about the system. We can decide which song plays on the radio from which song not play. You don't know the system. Where a radio disc jockey can walk into a studio and say, don't release that song. Case in point, I was the third artist to record and do all the rhythm.
Bro, yo, me I tell you, Mr. Vegas, bro, some of the time, better you just not say nothing, brother. You are talking about weird different thing. Bro, what must you talk about, brother? What must you talk about, fam? You must talk about no radio and everything. Who the system? Bro, no Cartel, no the Gaza thing, the man I say, yo, if them a try bring him down, he might bring on the whole Gaza, brother. You know realize what this have to do. Bro, the man everybody in Jamaica play Masicka song, brother. So we don't know when you gone at this radio and stopping and bro, who stop playing Masicka song on radio and them someday? Eh? Oh, bro, Masicka song always a play, bro. In a dancehall, DJ, everything radio, bro. We hear it. So you make it seem like say some other system there where nobody a blackball Masicka. Nobody na blackball Masicka, brother. Stop forward out and play sympathy with man career, dog. You understand? Because Masicka get the most endorsement in a dancehall. We all see that. From Ella come forward right up, brother.
You don't know the system. When them tell Scatterburrell say them can't vice Vegas on the rhythm, I have to buy a cut off of it.
Yo, people, you know why I'm not reading enough of them artists here? The man them, yo, it's like the man them so bad mind, the man them just try to take the hype and take the you call it, take the attention, put on themselves, like play the sympathy card just for highlight for themselves. Cause here I go bring up say Scatter, blackball him, the same system, all of them. So, bro, if you say system about Masicka, brother, Scatter na blackball Masicka, brother. So I don't know how comes it end up turning away you go through. If you talk about the system with Masicka, which system him attack? Because nobody now stop play Masicka song, bro. Bro, now go on like say, bro, Cartel and Masicka did good, brother. We are talk about. Now the man them with they on show together. And I link up and man I give him rum and all of them little thing there. Me not understand, bro. Mr. Vegas, dog, some of the time better you know say nothing, dog. Cause that brother does always try to forward with theme situation in a things.
And go a firing or promote the shit out of it. Walk in a snow all over the place and promote pull up. And got nothing but some publishing after a man thief my song. Understand that? You don't know nothing about the system when we're going to mix show power summit with Leslie Cooney. And people who are a part of the industry, the main culprit them, the one that run the system.
People, you see what Mr. Vegas do? He might take all of the attention off of the direct system of Masicka attack. The man has systemic it. You understand? Yeah, he might make the system right now where he might try to put all of the victim card pan for himself. He might try to turn the you see what Masicka saying at the system song about the cartel thing or whatever. He might try to turn it around now if he try make like him I get the fight. Like the fight where him I get him want highlight that by using what Masicka say about system. Which is wrong. Because I know that the system the Masicka attack, bro. I know that system the Masicka attack from.
So you don't need Vegas. You don't need Vegas. It's not hot. You need such and such. The industry know who me attack. You don't know the system when a promoter reach out here and say, are you available? And by the time them take over the promoter's bookings, your name is missing. And the promoter no longer is interested in you.
Yeah, I see this man come out here just a ball like a girl, you know. Me did think say the man I go talk about the same system with Masicka attack. And now this man just a victimize himself, brother. Him just a what they call it, a cry out. I say yo, these are people that fight him system. Brother, don't know that Masicka attack, bro. Why you not talk about the system where Masicka attack about? Just because you don't want the backlash from?
And when you look at the lineup, it's all their artists. You don't know about the system that you would. You don't know about the system where them put stigma on your name. Because them know say once you go see a youth a Batman boy, and you say it enough times, for the people them who are part of the system and we know them are part of the system, because of course them are going to work with it. Because them favorite artists a style you. I put stigma upon you. Them don't understand say, yo, I work for the system. And when man and man put stigma upon your name, for destroy you, it destroy other potentials. Like other youth who could have come around you and bust. Then nobody want to come around you because stigma upon your name. No man don't want to be labeled as a Batman. And them know that. So that I want them go to card, them ace card, stigmatize your name. So them can destroy you.
I wonder if a bounty killer him attack. Because I can't bounty killer attack. Because the only time I know of people calling Vegas fish are when him man bounty things. So I don't know if a bounty I go see the system, bro. Bounty been highlighting Masicka. Bounty now fight Masicka. So I don't know what you talk about, which system you talk about, brother.
Them can go around and say a bowcat while them are the biggest bowcat. Them are the biggest freak and they can destroy a youth. When them say a freak? While them are the biggest freak. The system. You don't even understand the industry. You're a young boy, you don't know storm. Masicka a speak for one of youth. Jamaica has so many more talents. But guess what? Enough of the youth them walk away. Enough of the youth them get stifled. Enough of the youth them get runaway. Enough of the youth them get blacklisted. Enough of the youth them no bother boss and who boss. Then find way to lock them out. Check a bad artist named Gabriel. Yeah, man. Go and check how much of your great artists them I do 9 to 5. And because them not come forward, come tell you them story. The system. Understand that. So when you hear Masicka talk about system, enough youth can relate. Enough youth. You don't know, say all foot type them a part of the system. Work for the system.
Yo, I don't know. I don't know where I talk. Like, if I know, I must bounty. If I know bounty, he might talk the man them will run Sunfest or something. Because I don't know foot type of system, brother. What you talk about, dog? Foot type of system, brother. Foot type is a DJ, bro. Man say foot type a part of the system to rotted. Then if foot type a part of the system, how much artists foot type boss, brother? What you talk about? How much artists in a dancehall with foot type boss? If you say foot type part of the system, bro. You know see right now the people ma burn out foot type, brother. How system for burn out a man we are part of the system. I don't understand that. Yo, dog, Mr. Vegas, bro. It's like you just use that time, yeah, just to throw your shots at people where you and them no good, rather than actually explain the system of Masicka attack.
Black no youth. Yeah, man. Remember, say go back and check it. Footer hype. Did I say Masicka? Having pants and but him gear. Footer hype. Did I say Masicka? Police goes and want to kill him. If anything happened to him, what happened to Masicka? I'm a Masicka cheerleader now. System. And why you think I'm a Masicka cheerleader? Because him hate cartel. Because cartel have I shine around him. So you think him like Masicka? When them say Masicka was involved with her too? With her too? No.
Bro, so many time on the chat shit. Bro, from cartel they are prison, brother. Foot hype been saying things about cartel, brother. It's not no Aishana, dog. You understand? Una make it seem like a when cartel come out, foot hype array, bro. Foot hype been a no rate to cartel from him this alliance, bro. From them days, brother. Like, bro, I know nothing west them up from now, bro. You understand? Cause at the end of the day, brother. Remember, you know, foot hype forward out and them start bring up the Aishana thing. Because, bro, foot not care about Aishana, brother. And uno keep on say, yo, rare through Aishana around this and that. But uno, you know, you know your foot come out vex, yo, Aishana around this and that, and bro, come on, brother. I don't know where you try to go with that situation. Cause now you're not talking about Masicka, you're gone foot hype and you're gone over Yasso. Bro, stop stray from the situation, bro. You understand? Stop it, dog. Because you just put some system thing on some man way, bro, when I have nothing to do with the system, dog.
It's a systematic approach. It's just that we have digital era now and you are the youth, them get to escape the system in some way. Not everywhere. Because them build them own fan base. They build them own digital audience. And them can't stop the apartheid there. But imagine Masicka. In our prime, can I tell you about the system? You are skin up your nose because you don't know what happened behind the scenes. You don't know what happened when a man like Popcorn, we know what the artist. I tell you about the system. Over Burna Boy show. You don't know. You just play by your head.
Brother, you talk about Yuki. Yo. So basically I talk about the Popcorn show over Burna Boy. When must they must say something about bookings like, you know, allegedly it's about Sharon Burke. I say, yo, this and that. But bro, Sharon Burke and Popcorn them usually be this, bro. You understand? Like, bro, Masicka no go through no fight with no system, brother. What you talk about? Masicka talk the cartel thing, brother. The Gaza thing, and that the man talk about, bro. You understand? Same like when Alkaline forward out and Dream never time name to no brand, no alliance, no Gaza. Them start fight the youth. That are when the systematic I try fight. It start from bounty thing them. You understand? The man them will run the thing, link up with the disc jockey them and and them have them friend now because them are the top artists can call them and say, yo, I don't want the artist to play, I don't want this. The man usually control the DJ them everything, bro. Because them was the man at that time. But who out there fight Masicka, bro? Nobody now fight Masicka, bro, when man get all of the strength from everybody, brother. You man get the strength from everybody. You understand? The system of Masicka attack are the same like a system when cartel forward out and them say, yo, dancehall lock up a jail and all of them something, the highlight the cartel I get Them a say, yo, cartel give the artist them 13 years. That's the system the man a talk about. The same system them where make the youth like the youth them now do nothing. You understand? Masicka their own cartel and some whatever happen. And that system them man a talk about, bro. We see this. Remember I see a man them where with bounty thing, you know. Remember, you know, bro. Remember I say Beanie Man was a king and the man them the cartel the king thing. Fine. But that's the system the man a talk about, bro. You bring up some radio thing and all them something there and I play a victimize with you and whatever you go through.
Because Popcorn a madman. But him, in his prime, I tell about the system. You don't know about the system when the man them say them not playing no Alkaline song. You don't know about the system, youth. But sit down, youth. We don't know Storm. We don't know where going on in that industry, youth. But I leave it right there for now. Because so much more we talk about this system. Like I can put in a one video.
Well, we know the systems there already. Seeing everybody go through a little piece, everybody. I saw you go, and you knew a lot of people are got bad mind, you know. It's just a nah, bro. Them a lot of people, if them not get the highlight and you not get no strength and you will get all of the strength, them are got bad mind, bro. They might try to do something to try damage your career or something, brother. Yeah, brother, everybody know that. And the same system where Masicka attack is the same system where make Alkaline song them never get play. Them never want to play it. You don't know that, bro. When Alkaline forward out, Alkaline never time name to the Gaza and nothing. Them I say, yo, man, this is Gaza and this and that. And remember, say, same alliance them, DJ attorney, Gaza, DJ, everything merge in one. Bounty never like Alkaline. So, majority of them not to play Alkaline song than that. Remember one time, you know, with Boom Boom, and then if Uptown Mondays when Bolt say Gaza, Usain Bolt forward up and pay some money and say, yo, play a big cartel. Because them time the Boom Boom play Alkaline. You understand? Remember, you know, Usain Bolt a play kind of one, you know, Alkaline. So we all know that, bro. We all know that. That is the system where Masicka talk about, bro. You understand? The same system now where when him a drop him song them, the same system a say, yo, trash him a dead. Them a pick side because them favorite artists. That are the system where man a talk about. Cause man say, yo, Masicka, this is artist, yo. You see me? Masicka been talking at the song, bro. The same system the man a talk. Remember the man say, yo, Shaggy and Sean Paul doing for to put the map. But the man a try to say another part, they say, yo, them not give Shaggy and Sean Paul the credit where them deserve, although them put the notch up this up on the level. Them only a give one man. That are the system, bro. When a man release from prison, them a say, this a man, the man them try say about Shaggy them this and Ray. When them are out here with big internationally. So that are the system of Masicka talk from. Because Masicka there enough brother where say, yo, if you do it, you so enough understand that. I don't know you bring up footer hype and radio and yo promote and that. Bro, yo, people big up on yourself, you know, don't know me the facts, you know. Respect. See me? That is